Nasi Rex? Atay, sakto ba kami?
Saan? Papakashort tayo, mag-short ako.
Ayos! Buwangan eh.
Sir!
Ah!
Sir!
Tarong ba? Pwede ka upload?
Nakagin...
Mukha na?
Oo. Live din, live. Live din. Gusto naman, sir.
Atay, Minister Rex Power, naabot man may naglayo kayo. Gusto yung buang.
Welcome to my vlog.
Bis dito ramis ubos. Abot. Asa ni David Sir?
Sa Bonbon.
Bonbon?
Chorba.
Oh, nindot ni Sir ko. Nakay mga kabit-kabit Sir, no?
Oh, kana. So, wakay kabit.
Oh.
Oh, kita na do ako yung...
Nindot ni Sir kay di ka masakpan diri oh. Layo kayo.
Libunan ki ba? Pero sakpan Japan eh.
Ano?
Sinuto naman kasi mga sawa. Ala, ang giata ina dito ay. Dali kong sakpan. Alright, shooting for High Ants intro karon. So na Mr. Cotamanor Bonbon. Chorba. Basta kalibunan na siya para sa mga kabit. Scene 1 done. 37 scenes to go.
Yo, sanam din ni simple diri Sir.
Yes. Hi guys, welcome to my crib. Come on here, come on. Wala na swimming pool. Wala lang coffee shop. So, anything can happen here.
Times kay Gaya.
Pero mura, dili ko ano?
Ha?
Dili ko ano ba? Work kami din. Ha?
Hey girl, ako ay nabighani mo miss. Fanboy mo ako, kaya please pa-notice. Bawat video mo sa TikTok ay updated ako.
What's up?
Ba nga di ko kay mo content basta na Rex Power kay maay siya gud.
Lamay.
Oh.
Mag-glasses tabi para man.
Nami mura mig mga dakdat sa diri oh.
That's it may nalibak kami dire. Tsaka sa libagiro dyan.
Anak dats.
Kita na mo sa kuan.
Kita ang mga
anak dats nga iced tea.
mga drinks sa mga anak dats.
Ha? Yabu-yabu ra na normal ra kana mayabu-yabu. Normal ra na basta anak dats ka yabu yun na nimo.
Yabo gid.
Tagan man nimo kuan kanang bahin ang yuta.
Oh,
Mo kita ka? Oh? Yan naman sito.
ano tawag na Sir?
Ha?
Ano tawag na?
Naman sito. Orange. Ay kani? Kuan iced tea with hollow glass.
Ito.
Hollow glass.
Ito no. Sure. Kung di na magtugkad yung mga conster.
That's
my favorite. I'm glad you got one of those. I'm gonna have one.
What?
My favorite. Tingnan na, very good. That's talaga makalibre ito ba ang warehouse.
Yes. One of the most delicious iced tea I've ever tasted. The brewed, freshly brewed fruit iced tea.
Freshly brewed iced tea.
Freshly brewed iced tea. Yeah. Yeah. Don't be so serious, man.
Yeah. Only here in the Dales.
Huh?
The Dales.
The
The Dales, no?
The
Dales.
Dales.
The only thing is that you need to do a 30-kilometer hike first before you drink that.
Ah.
Really?
Then you really appreciate it.
Because you're so thirsty. I get it.
Just in time, sir, because we're thirsty.
That was the challenge, really, is to show them how other companies have made changes to the way they do business. Persuade them that they need to do the same thing.
the biggest problem is denial.
Yeah, deny
You know,
that there's a problem.
Yeah, exactly. That's the biggest issue, and that's the first hurdle that you have to overcome. And I've had several meetings with CEOs here, and I just walk away after the first meeting because they just deny that there's a problem,
Right.
and so I just walk away. And if they're not prepared to accept that there's an issue, I can't help them.
How do you investigate if there's an issue? Like, where do you go first?
Combination of things. I have some tools that I developed over time that I use to do get the organisation to do a self-assessment of itself, to identify its own strengths and weaknesses and issues, and then a combination of looking at the performance of the business historically. Where has it come from? Where is it trying to get to? Does it have a strategy? And then looking at the external environment and seeing whether or not it's on the right track.
You're talking about Filipino CEO.
Any CEO, they have big egos.
All CEOs have big egos, but it's a very lonely place as well.
Right, right.
So sometimes they don't feel that they've got any friends inside the company that they can share their concerns with. So sometimes an outsider, who's not got a voice inside the organisation, they're more likely to open up to me than
Right.
internally.
That there's a problem.
And then, and if I get somebody that is honest, is prepared to accept that there's an issue, then we can start to design a better future.
Right.
You're still doing it, sir.
No.
You're retired.
There are a lot of companies that still need it, but I don't know if I want to.
Napalaban juga dito, sir.
Hello guys,
Napalaban juga dito, sir. Kumawa mali kag mga motor-motor lagi, sir.
Ha?
Kumawa lagi kag mga motor-motor lagi. Ha?
Ako nagpataka, nagtano-tando ko dito.
Oh, tando-tando ko. LR din mga kuwan.
Yeah, because we're from UK guys, and guys, we will not tagad you anymore guys, because we're rich as ano guys, we're so rich.
We're rich as fuck.
Oh, fuck. We have a daddy now. We will guys, we will go now and Riot Vlog Squad. We will not tagad you anymore. Because you know why? You know why?
Why?
Because we're so fucking rich. We're rich, and Riot Vlog Squad is not rich anymore.